Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make Windows Explorer open this PC by default in Windows 10. So by default, when you click on the Windows Explorer in Windows 10, it opens quick access. Now to change it to this PC, what you have to do is just click on this view tab on the top, and now under it just click on the options button. Now under the general tab, just change this option open file explorer to this PC. So just click on this drop down and select this PC. After this, just click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now close this window, and now let's see whether the Windows Explorer open this PC or not. So you can see that now the Windows Explorer is opening this PC. So this is how you can make Windows Explorer open this PC by default in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.